Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to proadvertisersclub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Where I'm at, I can't get online for Splinterlands, but I can do it on my mobile, which is good because I wanted to show you guys the mobile app anyway. Here's the main page. You can battle and you can see your balances on your credit and your DEC. The DEC is right, but the credit's off. I got much less than that, so I don't know why that is. They do have occasionally some problems. It's still in development, but battles go very well, at least for me. Okay, there's been some other people complaining, but so I'm not going to have time today to show you the numbers. I'll do that tomorrow and show you all the different ways to make money. So let's just look at the mobile app, and we'll do the rewards for the chest, and then we'll open up the pack, the once a day pack. So as you know, if now I'm not a financial advisor, listen to your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. There's a link below. You can join and underneath me and play this game for free. If you decide to go more, you can purchase the $10 spell book fee, which is a one-time lifetime fee for the entire program. It opens up the entire platform for you, and then you can start making building your account asset value. I am trying to get up to $10,000 by the beginning of next year. I'm currently at between 800 and 1,000 at any given moment. The markets are down, so it's kind of been suppressing me, even though I make gains every day. It's been kind of maintaining because it keeps going down a little bit every day, but so has everything else, stocks, crypto. But we've seen a little bit of light in this past week, so maybe things are turning around. So anyway, what I do at the beginning of each video is I do the battle quest, and I've already done it. So we're going to claim the quest reward. I get 2 chests because I am silver. When you're in bronze, you only get 1. The number of chests up here is what I'm going to get in 5 days when the season ends. So let's go and open up. What happened? 2. Okay, so claim rewards. Okay, there's my 2 chests. I got a legendary potion, which doubles my chances for 1 card to be a legendary. And I got a rare card. Wow. Okay, awesome. Twilight Basilisk. Okay, so this is a card I don't think I have, but this shows you once you get up into silver that things start getting better as far as rewards, and everybody can do it once a day. It's every 24 hours. So what's collection? Let's see okay, that's my collection. So all right, so now let's go do the pack. Let's go to the shop, and there it is up there. Now, as you see in the top here, I got 6 legendary and 5 gold. It's called alchemy, and each pack, which I got 1 left, does 5 cards, and you're guaranteed a rare or better. Each card uses up 1 potion of each, 1 gold, 1 legendary. So it doubles my chances to get a gold, a legendary, or a combination of the 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. And so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now usually you can highlight, but I don't know how to do it on the mobile. So we're just gonna, okay, that's a common. That's a common. That's going to be a rare. And that is a summoner. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. That's a common. And my last one is a common. Okay. Good pack. Anytime you get a summoner, it's good. The summoners are the gatekeepers. You have to have one, and you have to level them up in order to bring in higher cards to go keep moving up. So I'm going to put this in my collection. I might sell him because I have gold. I have him in the gold because I changed my strategy to gold summoners about a month ago. And then I might take that money and use it elsewhere. I don't know yet. So anyway, so that's all I'm going to do for today. Let's go look. Let's go back to the home. See if there's anything else I can show you. Here's some of my statistics. So that's that. Let's see. That's pretty much it. I wanted to do at least one video today, and you can see how I did on the rewards and the pack opening. I'll call that a nice day. I got 2 rare cards out of it, and one of them's a summoner. So, okay. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. And I'll have a full video tomorrow.